Hello and welcome back to Atomic Adventures. In today's video we will be discovering whether microwaves emit ionizing radiation. Many people get worried about microwaves, and if they emit ionizing radiation, then people can easily confuse the different types of radiation. So today we're going to see if microwaves really do emit ionizing radiation. First we're going to start off with this Ludlam Model 3 with the pancake probe. We're going to turn the microwave on for 5 seconds or something like that. And let's see what happens. So I have this on. Let's turn it on. Nope, nothing with this. Just detecting background radiation. Now we have a radio code 103. This is a little bit more sensitive to gamma radiation than this, so we'll see what happens. And as you can see, nothing really above background. There's two different types, well there's a lot more than two, but the two that are being confused are ionizing radiation and electromagnetic radiation. Geiger counters are not capable of measuring electromagnetic radiation except for gamma rays, which are a high enough energy to be able to ionize something, which means to be able to knock the electrons off of an atom. If you do want to measure electromagnetic radiation, you would need something called an EMF meter. This one is a GQ EMF 390. You can buy it from Amazon. I'll put a link in the description of this video. But this will measure the radiation coming off of this. So we'll set it for 5 seconds. And as you can see, it maps it, graphs it, and it can tell you whether it was. So when I had that close, it read microwave. So it was able to identify that what was emitting that radiation was, in fact, this microwave. Now, there's a lot of controversy regarding EMF and all of the different electromagnetic radiations and whether they are or are not harmful. What they do is they heat up the molecules, water molecules to be specific. So what you would be experiencing is your skin would slightly heat up, but there's a lot of debate around that. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope to see you in the next one. This was Atomic Adventures.